Hey guys, it's Hannah Powell here and we're just wrapping up day 3 of the NH Foods Angus Youth National Roundup here in Tamworth. I'm here with Gus Spry, a local from here in Tamworth. Gus, tell us a little bit about what you've learned here today.
Yeah, thank you, Hannah. I've learned a fair bit. Started off the day with getting my heifer ready for the cattle judging. Took her out here and ended up coming home with 4th place. Had a pretty strong heat, so can't get 2 fingers myself.
Yeah, and I guess just with that we want to say a big thank you to the judges, Ben Davies from Thomas Foods International. He travelled up from South Australia, as well as our associate judge Meg Keeley, who's from Walker, who was our 2022 Angus Youth Roundup Grand Champion Junior Judge. Gus, tell us a little bit about what was your favourite things that you learnt today, as well as some of your other key take-homes.
Oh, that's a hard one, but it's either going to be the auctioneering or the freeze branding behind us. I think I learned probably a bit more about the freeze branding, of where to clip it and where to exactly put it.
And so what are you looking forward to most for the rest of the roundup?
Probably Raiders. I'll be looking forward to that, which will be really good and strong competition, so we'll see how we go.
Excellent. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
It's been a great line-up of cattle. The whole day's been exceptionally well run, and the cattle have been exceptional. The depth of quality right through the whole offering has been fantastic, and it's really a great credit to the breed to have such a large well-run event, and it's been great to see. So I do a lot of these judgings around Australia. I feel it's been a big part of my youth, I suppose, and that's been why I like to give back to these events and be a part of them. You see these kids develop and grow, and we've got a number of young men and women who come into our business and feel they learn a great deal of not just about cattle husbandry and livestock and showing, but also how to introduce themselves, be a part of the community, and become great members of the community going forward. So I think there's a lot of things juniors learn through these events, not just about livestock, but also about mateship and communicating with older people, and really growing up to be great individuals in the beef industry. So first time I've met Meg today, and she's been a great judge, and we've really enjoyed bouncing off each other, and I like to try to probably chuck them in the deep end a little bit. Like, I don't expect them to just follow me around, and I like Meg's opinion and to bring her up and help her develop as a competent judge, and there's certainly been some great times and things that she's pointed out to me that I may have missed, and it's been a great team effort here today.
It's been awesome. Like, I've been able to come back and still compete with this, and then today the cattle class has just really taken this opportunity just to be a sponge and absorb all of Ben's knowledge, which has been amazing to be in that environment, but also refine judging skills and public speaking skills, which I think are both really important, both public speaking but also just developing an eye for cattle. I think really important in the industry. So yeah, very grateful for the opportunity.